The first time I ever sent a pin, it was a disaster. And my friend ended up in a wash just like this. So I'm going to show you how to send a pin on Google Maps. And there's one thing you have to do at the very end that will make the difference in someone going in a wash or getting to your campsite. The first thing is to go into your Google Maps app. Then Google Maps will open and show you the blue dot. That's where you are right now. The next thing you want to do is tap the layers icon at the top right. When that opens up, select the satellite view, then X out of layers. This is very helpful when you're off-road or off-grid because it shows you dirt roads or roads made just from a bunch of vehicles driving over the same path. Then I'm going to pinch the screen to expand and zoom into the blue dot to get a more accurate pin location. Once I'm all the way zoomed into the blue dot, I press down on the blue dot, which sets a pin and opens up options below to show me things I could do with the pin. Once I hold it down, it's going to come down here and it's going to give me, it's saying, do you want directions, start, save, share? So I would go to share. But I'm not going to do that right now because this is where I messed up. I can't just send it from there. What I have to do is go back here and find out where the entrance is to the road. So I'm way back here, but the entrance that I came in on the road is way up here. So this is where I want to send the pin, because what happens is Google will take this. Google told people to come down this road and then come right across here. If you see that, like Google, and that's how my friend got stuck in a wash because Google just made a road here and it's not a road. So we have to go back up to where the road meets. So right here is where I'm going to set the pin. Right there. So what I do is, it's got the blue dot is there. Now I'm going to go here. This is where I want them to send it. So now this is where, so Google Maps will know that this is the road into the campsite. So then I go down here and it gives me all these options and I hit share. Okay, and then it gives me all these options of sharing. I want to go to messages. Every phone is different in how you search your contacts. I'll go to new message. And then I can put in whosever name or number I want to share with. What I do is once I send a pin, I close Google Maps, go to the text where I sent the pin, and hit the link. Then I can see if I sent it correctly. I can tell it's correct because the blue dot is farther down from where I set the pin to the entrance of the camp. There's the pin to me. I'm going to open it up. And it's showing me exactly where that pin is. Here's actually where the camp road veers off to the left of the main road. Like Yogi Berra said, when you come to a fork in the road, take it. I hope this video helps. I wanted to make this video because I couldn't really find any videos on YouTube dealing with sending pins off-road. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos.